Guys, I'm gonna record a video with Teerav. Teerav is actually behind you guys, so you know. We are gonna make curry, and I kind of forgot how to make, so Teerav is gonna help me in case I destroy something. So first we start doing the rice, and I'm gonna use this cup because that's how I measure how much we need. So this is 1 cup. Right?
Perfect.
And a little bit more because I have 2 stomachs. Enough? Too much?
Too much.
Good.
A little bit too much still, but okay.
I like rice. I'll clean this later, okay?
Alright.
So, water. How many cups?
3.
3 cups. One. 2. 3. Good.
Good.
Now, it's very easy, guys. I'm gonna show you the trick. We put it right here. Then we turn it on. We turn it on. What the fuck? Okay, never mind. Then we close it. And then we. Yes. That. Yeah, I knew it. So. Yeah, now we're gonna do the boring part, which is the chicken. It has some liquid inside, so we have to get rid of that. And we're gonna do that on the sink. So first I need to get scissors. This part we're gonna speed up because I'm really slow on this. How do we cut?
I would cut from here across here.
Okay, like that. And then we just let the liquid.
Don't let the whole chicken out though.
I know, I'm very new at this. Like this, right?
Yeah, but don't just hold the chicken. Let the juices go out.
Oh, like that.
Yeah. Or you can just take the chicken out that you need.
I have to touch it though?
Yeah, you got to touch it.
I mean, I need to take out the whole thing, right?
No, just take out one. Just take out one. You don't need all that chicken.
Oh, they're separated already. Oh, okay. Tira, what the hell is that?
Oh, that's what I clean my glasses with.
I'm really bad at cutting chicken. So you guys have probably cringed so much watching me cut, but here we go. All right, now that
Clean.
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 Okay. Once we have everything clean, we wait for the rice or we start the curry now.
You start now.
Okay. So, oil. We need oil.
Not yet.
We turn it on first.
Yes.
This one, I think on high, right?
Yep.
So we wait for this to get hot and then we put the oil, right?
Yes.
And when do we know it's hot?
When you can hold your hand over it and it gets uncomfortable for 3 seconds.
Okay, so we just wait. You can cut now. You can stop recording to save memory.
Okay.
So I'm gonna put the oil right now. Just a little, right?
Just a little.
You
Yep.
tell me when to stop.
Stop.
Good enough?
Yeah, that's all that's needed.
Okay.
Swish the oil around.
Then we do the oil dance. You know, so it covers the whole pan.
The what?
The oil dance.
Oh, okay. That's good.
And now we put the chicken or we wait?
You could wait a few seconds, but it's probably good now. So just put the chicken in.
So, can I just touch with this?
Yep, that's the reason why you got that.
Okay, it's my splash, so be careful. Am I careful?
You're careful.
And then we just mix, right?
Yeah. Flip it and stuff. Get the oil all coated.
Oh, okay.
And then you let it cook for a bit.
Okay, so we wait. I'm gonna clasp my hand
Do you know why we wait?
so it cooks.
Well, you want it to cook until it's crispy on the bottom.
Oh, and then you put the oil, and then you, not the oil, the curry sauce, and then you finish cooking.
Yep.
Okay, so I'm gonna clap my hands, and when you hear the clap sound, it's gonna be ready.
Okay.
Time for the sauce. So you put it like right here next to the bar, next to the pan. I use 2 hands because I'm small. Then more. Good enough, right? There's more.
Yep.
We get everything there. Then we mix a little.
Now you let it simmer for 10 to 15 minutes. 10 minutes is good.
Okay.
Wow.
So we get the edges so the edges don't burn. I know Teerav doesn't like when I do it because I don't know how to prevent it from burning. I'm doing what I can.
You gotta scrape the edges.
I am look, Teerav, this is how I do it.
Okay, it's probably good.
Okay, we turn off.
Yeah.
Okay, now I guess when it's like this, it looks ready. So we will just turn it off. Right? And I'm gonna wash it.
Why? You don't need to.
Because I don't want to make this table dirty.
Well, now it's wet, so you gotta clean it anyway.
This means it's ready, right?
Yep.
Okay, so we will. Do we turn it off here?
Yep.
Okay.
Well, no. Turn it back on. Unplug it.
Okay, we unplug it.
Be careful when you do that.
Yeah. And then I think we need that, right?
Oh yeah, you definitely want. It's good you took it off in time.
So it's hot, so we get gloves to get this thing. Oh
Yeah.
my gosh, the gloves are big for my hand. Oh. Okay, this is the part I hate the most.
You hate a lot of these parts the most. Now stick it. When you stick it in there, stick it just like you're scraping the edge when you.
It's hard for me. It's heavy and the gloves are swallowing my hands. Once you put the rice on, we just, mix it with the thing off. Oven is off. See, that was enough rice. So it's ready when everything is orange.
But it's orange from the start.
but the rice is white. The rice needs to turn orange.
Oh,
I know you really wanna,
I really want to do it.
but you have to record, and I'm doing it.
Scrape the edges.
Oh my gosh, Teerav, what's wrong with the edges?
All that sauce on the edge.
Oh my gosh, I'm gonna punch him. Alright, so that's how you make curry. So all you need is rice, chicken, curry sauce, and I guess water. We forgot to use salt, but that's healthy. So that's it. You have anything to say, Teerav?
Good job.
Thank you. So now
Muito bom.
Thank you. Now let's go eat. Bye.
Ciao.